Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you an incredible experience that completely transformed my body in just 3 minutes a day. Yes, you heard that right. Hanging, a simple yet powerful exercise, has had a profound impact on my physique and overall well-being. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. Before we get into the details, let me give you a brief background. Like many of you, I spent long hours sitting at a desk due to work and study commitments. This sedentary lifestyle took a toll on my posture, flexibility, and even my mood. That's when I discovered hanging as a way to counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting. Hanging is a simple exercise where you hang freely from a bar with your arms extended. Initially, it may feel challenging, but trust me, the benefits are worth it. Let me share with you the changes I noticed after incorporating just 3 minutes of hanging into my daily routine. First and foremost, my posture improved significantly. Hanging decompresses the spine, which helps counteract the effects of slouching and sitting for extended periods. As a result, my shoulders rolled back, and my chest opened up, giving me a taller and more confident appearance. Secondly, hanging increased my grip strength. As I hung from the bar, I could feel my forearms and fingers working hard to support my body weight. Over time, this improved grip strength helped me in various exercises like pull-ups, deadlifts, and even everyday tasks like carrying groceries. Thirdly, hanging boosted my overall upper body strength. The exercise engages muscles in your back, shoulders, arms, and core, making it a great compound movement. As I progressed, I noticed that my pull-up and push-up numbers increased, and my upper body became more defined and toned. Lastly, but certainly not least, hanging helped me with my flexibility. When you hang, your spine decompresses, allowing it to lengthen and stretch. This improved flexibility translated into better performance during other exercises and reduced the risk of injury. So, how can you incorporate hanging into your routine? It's simple. All you need is a sturdy pull-up bar. Start with just a few seconds of hanging and gradually increase the time as your strength improves. Remember to listen to your body and never push beyond your limits. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast, I highly recommend giving hanging a try. It's a low-cost, effective exercise that can make a remarkable difference in your body and overall well-being. That's a wrap for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning about my personal transformation through just 3 minutes of hanging each day. If you decide to give it a shot, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and transformations.